form throughout this Tour de France. For Eritrea, 3 wins. Hugely exceeded any expectation. It's been remarkable. He had that crash as well, didn't he? But came back fighting to take the green jersey as well as 3-stage victories. Will be something that he had dreamt of for so long. And he said how he's had posters on his wall of Mark Cavendish himself up till only a few years ago. He calls him his hero. He rides past him and says, hey, you are my hero. And now he is making history. It's been fantastic to watch.
Sean, welcome. What can you say about Biniam Girmay? Sean, I think you may have the wrong button switched on. I can hear you via Robbie's headphones.
Yes, you can hear me now?
Yes.
I think for Girmay it's been a really successful tour, and we know he was a talented rider the past number of years, but he had some bad luck. Giro, of course, this year we see rotten bad luck in the earlier part of the race and crashing out. And yeah, they changed a bit of his programme as well, the way he